Christmas. Santa Claus called me and want me sit up here and ask these little snot-nosed kids what they want for Christmas. I really don't care what they want for Christmas anyway. That's what I'm gonna do, because he said I ain't gonna get no Christmas present. Yes, shut up, Chad Dog. I ain't gonna get a Christmas present. So, here come a little snot-nose. Come on up here, little booger nose. There you, hey, little cute little thing.
You ain't Santa Claus.
I don't care what it is. Get up here and shut up and tell me what you want for Christmas. Sit down. What you want for Christmas?
Football.
Football? What kind of football? I don't know. Is it round, square? What kind of football? Brown. No, not brown. Round. But anyway, what else you want?
That's all.
And that's it? That's all you want? Okay, you have a Merry Christmas and get you some candy and get out of here. Have a good day. Bye-bye.